Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charissa, you're Filipina from Las Vegas. I am really excited for today's video because I got my Boxycharm box. I am not sure if this is my premium box or this is my luxe box, but I'm thinking that this probably is my premium box because I have seen other unboxing this month and their luxe box is actually in a white box with the green, like this box, this letters and print right here is actually green. So maybe this will be my premium box. So for you guys that is not familiar with a Boxycharm is a makeup subscription. Let's open this up so I know, because I haven't really taken a peek on this one, just to know which one do we have. This is actually my luxe box, as you can see right here. So I'm just wondering why mine is black, why mine has the old box and others has that white box. Basically, so we are going to be unboxing the luxe box. So if you guys are not familiar what a Boxycharm is, it is a makeup subscription. Luxe box is quarterly. You do get it every 3 months. That retails for $49.99 plus shipping and tax. You usually get 8+ item, and our total value for this box is $395. So we're still getting a pretty good deal, even though $49 every 3 months. This is a mix of makeup, skincare, and other items, you know, other goodies. So let's just go ahead and jump in and unbox this one. So first of all, first thing on my box is their pamphlet. All of your boxes, if you do decide to sign up, every month Boxycharm has a theme, and for this month, this is Lucky. That's the theme of the month. And also, I do have the variation C2103405-LX. Pretty long still. So first thing that I do see in my box is an eyeshadow palette. So this is the Barbarella eyeshadow palette. This is a really nice packaging with the lashes, and this will be our color story right here. So this tone is pretty much my jam. So let's take a look. So this eyeshadow palette retails for $50. Meet the black book of color with subtle shade to straight up blast of color. Jet milk pigments deliver intense, saturated, light, reflective shades with gorgeous texture plus long-lasting and non-creasing, silky and velvety finish. So this is a 20 pan eyeshadow palette. As I can see, there are only 5 mattes in this palette right here, but let me just take a look. But you know what? You have the basic matte from this one. Usually, in reality, you only need a few colors, and then I would switch up with the glitter, and that will actually give you a different vibe, a different eye look with the glitter. Just switching up color, mixing it, that will give you a different vibe. So I am excited to play around with this eyeshadow palette right here. I am not gonna swatch it because we're gonna do a video for this one right here, but it is a pretty nice eyeshadow palette, and it also have a good size mirror right here. Moving on, ooh, I was excited to get this. I have seen this one on other unboxing and I wanted to get this. So this is the Bakerie blending eggs. That's my dog, Riley Snowball. So they killed it with the packaging. So it literally looks like an egg right here. So cute. Blending eggs. And you do get 6 sponges, so that will last me a long time. Thank you, Boxycharm, for this one. So this 6 beauty sponge right here retail for $18. So I'm also excited to try that one because I have been obsessed, and this is the only like beauty sponge that I have been using. This one is from Makeup Shack. So I'm excited to try a new one. That's our second item for the month. And we also have the Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Serum. I could never pronounce that one. So yes, I do need a hyaluronic serum. I need a new serum in my life. I recently tried this clean jelly oil cleanser from a February box, but unfortunately my skin is not liking it, as you can see. This one actually retails for $42. So this is the packaging. It's actually really nice. I don't smell anything at all. Yeah, I don't smell plum in this one. It's lightweight and it feels moisturizing in the skin. So yes, it does absorb to the skin really fast because it's already dry now. So I'm excited to try this one. Hope that my skin will not react to it. Like, look. So our second product that we do have, no, actually this is the third product that we do get, is the Kiss the Stars 24 Gold Lip Plumping Mask. So this guy right here retails for $42. So it has a really nice, you know, it has that gold. It looks like, when I opened this, you know what I thought about it? It's, you know, those cream eyeshadow palette from Eyeshadow, the ColourPop Super Shacks shadow. It looks like that. So I am excited to try this one also. And it has that minty smell. We're gonna try that one out. Oh, this one. I like this one. This is the Dominique Cosmetic, and this is a creamy fill and define lip liner. Dominique is one of the YouTubers. Christian Dominique is one of the YouTubers that I actually bench watch when I had my surgery. I love her. I love her vibe. She is like a really positive vibe here in YouTube. So this is the shade that we do have. It's like a nude shade. Here you go, guys. That is the shade that we do get from our Luxe box. It's actually pretty nice and it feels creamy, not like the other one that I got last month, the Saint Luxe lippy lip liner. It broke first time I was using it. So this lip liner right here retails for $18. What is this? So this is the Dew of the Gods Froze Ice Rose Body Scrub. So we got a body scrub right here. So I'm not gonna open this one. I'll open it when I go take a shower. So this guy right here retails for $22. And it says, let's acknowledge how amazing Froze is. Rose, wine, plus sugar, plus ice, plus cute, and pink. Genius. That's the vibe of the Froze Body Scrub. It's a summer staple for optimal tan management, silky smooth skin, and literally just fun in the tub. So I am excited to take this one to use this one tonight once I do my nighttime routine. And what is this guy right here? Oh, this is a brush. Oh, this is the electric brush. I did not know it was my choice. I forgot that this was my choice. So I like this one. I'm gonna try to use this one as well. So with this one, since it's super little, it's good for traveling. So I'm gonna try this one, or I'll give it to my daughter. So this is ooh, that one is expensive. So the Soleil mini heat brush is perfect for on-the-go styling and touch-up. It's a powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry with you everywhere you go. Rapid heat time and heat resistance bristle allows this cute, handy brush to quickly and easily glide through your hair. Safe for all hair types. Welcome to your new favorite hair tool. Sometimes I do like smaller product like this, so I can just really go in like that. And especially my hair is not that long, you know, so it is much better to use like a smaller brush. I know it will take it longer, but since my hair is not long, I like using smaller products like this. So this guy right here is actually retail for $150. So it's a pretty high value box. So our last product for our Luxe box is this was my choice. I picked this one for my choice for this month, and this is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Full Filter, and I am on the shade 300. I actually own this eyeshadow palette. I picked this one because I like it. I know the formula. I mean, some people say that it does oxidize, but I know 300 is my shade. I think I already had 2 bottles for this one. So this is going to be my backup. And here you go. And who does not like For me, Fenty Beauty is a really nice, they always have a really nice product, but they kind of miss it for me for the Fenty skin. So most of the products that I have Fenty are makeups are good. The skin I actually did not like. So let's total up the value of our box. Like what I said earlier, Boxycharm is the Luxe Box has an average value of $395. So we'll see how much did we get this month. So it's $50 for the eyeshadow palette, $42 for the serum, $36 for the foundation, $22 for the scrub, $150 for the hair tool, $18 for the sponges, $18 for the lippy, and $42 for the plumping mask. So we do have a total value of $378. I'm pretty happy with my box for my Luxe Box this month, because as you know, like Feb, I was not really happy on the stuff that I got from my Boxycharm, and a little bit not happy as well on my January box. So for the Luxe Box, they kind of redeemed this month. So here you go, guys. This is our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of March for our Luxe Box. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified on all of my future upload. And before I forgot, I will have in the description down below the link for the Boxycharm website, also a code if you guys want to sign up for the Boxycharm. So don't forget, subscribe to my channel, like this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.